Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I created the Dutch doors in my A5 wide disc-bound planner with city stickers inserts. So you're going to need your scissors, your ruler, and your scoring knife. And then you're going to want to cut the tops and the bottom, and you want to cut closest to the column that you aren't going to use so you can have a little bit of space on each side of the column that you are going to use. Also, you want to make sure you have this space because you're going to need it when you glue them down. Now you're going to take your ruler and basically create a fold on both sides because you're going to need that to help flip the page back and forth. And also flip it back over on the other side, just to help again open and close the Dutch doors. Then you want to cut down the center so you can have two Dutch doors, and you don't have to make this perfectly straight. If you are a perfectionist, then that's fine. If you line up the columns like with the faint lines on the column, you should be fine. Now I'm taking the tape runner. This is from Amazon. I will try to link everything down below, but you're going to cut that in half because it's too wide. That is what you're going to use to stick down your Dutch doors. So you will also need your scoring knife to press this into the paper. And once this is down, it's down, so make sure you get it down as good as you can. And then you're going to line those columns up. You don't want to have it on the side that has the space. You want it to line up perfectly on the side that you're going to be planning on, because if you stick it down the opposite way, you're going to have like a centimeter of space at the top or at the bottom, so that lets you know that it's on the wrong side. If there's no space at the top and at the bottom, then you're putting it down on the right side. So I'm just putting down the Dutch doors now, and now we have two Dutch doors. Then you're going to want to take your scoring knife and just press that into the planner just to make sure it's down good. And then now you see how it opens, but it doesn't really open. You're going to want to take your ruler and use your scoring knife to add like a bend or a fold into it, and then press it down all the way on the other side. You don't want to do this too much, because if you fold it too much, then the door is going to fall off. So that is how you create the Dutch doors. I hope you all enjoyed this quick little tutorial. I'm just adding my washi and a wax seal from Temu, and yeah, that is how you create it. I hope you all enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.